We're going off-road, way back off the highway.
So we found the shed out in the middle of the woods, and it's just like packed full of good shit.
Full of the goodiest.
Pretty good. A lot of trash though. Would you say it's trash?
I'd say that.
Handlebars trash! Ugh. Well, we found a generator. That's a keeper. A chainsaw. Oh my god, trash. Lots of trash. This looks like a gas motor. I don't know if it works or not. A skill saw. Fucking golf clubs for days, son. What is that? Used rubbers? Oh no, it's the screws and stuff.
Looks like a grandma pack.
Oh yeah, look at that. I came out of a junk drawer. You know what we call that? Trash!
What do we call this?
That is trash!
We don't know. It's gotta go. Do we want this lead? This metal?
Trash!
Maybe not.
Maybe not. How thick is it?
It's
So
somewhat thick.
we're keeping.
I might be able to pack something
We
with
might
it.
be able to get it.
We'll do it.
Treasure!
Right there. What is that?
Huh? What is some voodoo
Big
shit
boob,
there?
little boob?
No, man, that's a freaking. It's an evil face.
Oh, I thought it was a big boob, little boob.
Oh, it could be, I guess. Big boob, little boob. Trash!
Trash.
Trash! What did you find? Anything good?
Nothing.
I don't know how we're gonna get the Jeep back here to get all this shit out of here. What do you got? You got something moving? Something moving?
Yeah.
Get it. Get it. Yeah, take that, you son of a bitch.
I got that song.
Yeah, we came into his house and showed us what's up, son.
He gone, mother.
Gone trash.
There you go. It's a local treasure.
Guys, if you do not have this CD, and this has been as seen on TV, I'm assuming, but guys, if you don't have this CD, go out, get this CD, so you can be like trash. Keeper, treasure. Treasure obtained. Oh my god, is there coffee in here?
Oh.
Look at that. Is that a hedger? What do you think about this shed we found in the middle of the woods?
It's got a lot of nice stuff in it.
Has it? You know what else it has a lot of?
A bunch of trash.
Trash!
There's a lot of poison ivy.
Your dirt bike coming back down. Trash!
Maybe it's the owner.
Shh, shh, shh. Everybody quiet. The owner.
Okay, they drove by.
Alright, they're gone. They're gone. Party on, Garth.
Hurry on, Wayne.
Trash. Let's get up deep inside these guts and see what we got here. Look at all this stuff. Look at all of this old stuff.
Hey, this is for you.
Ooh.
It's for you.
Treasure found!
Treasure obtained.
Sweet herpes cream.
Ooh, I found a little whatever this thing. What is this?
Trash.
Trash.
Oh, I should show the house.
Are those alligators? Look at that little thing.
Those are just so cute.
So cute. That's a treasure.
That's a keeper right there.
Trash. Oh shit.
I found it.
So we're gonna get what's good in this place, then we're gonna burn it to the ground.
Burn it to the mother.
An RPG. An unopened RPG.
It's amazing, ain't it?
Yeah, that's the coolest thing we've found so far.
Some wheels.
Sweet, put those on the Jeep.
Those are didgeridoos.
Those are didgeridon'ts.
Oh,
Didgeridoo trash.
hey guys,
Kickstand?
we won't be stuck in the dark.
Oh
We will not be stuck in the dark.
I believe Washington used that to cross the Delaware himself.
I think that's the very one. That's the very same one. Yeah, that's a good pack to have there. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Treasure found!
Treasure obtained.
Some pistons.
Local store.
Local store. Support your local. What is it? There you go.
Oh,
What's
that's,
the name and
that's
number?
the wrong address. They have moved.
They have moved Xmart. All your adult super needs stores for all your adult super needs.
No free sponsors.
They do not sponsor us in any way. Treasure found! Found! Found!
Treasure dismissed.
Trash!
Treasure found in treasure trash.
No, put that back. That was cute.
What are you doing, man? You can't distinguish trash from treasure? Look at that.
Man, look at
thing.
that little piston, man.
Look at that, huh? It's like a piston. Like, oh, he scared it. Hang that on the rear view.
Hang this on
Like
the
a hell of a
buffer.
shifter.
Trash.
Trash. A brand new piston. Trash.
Trash.
Another brand new piston.
What the?
Guys, we're doing a motor swap. These are the new pistons going
These
in.
are the
brand
new
new
pistons. We're gonna put these
The
in.
secret's out.
Yep, 3-cylinder.
Free bolts.
Yep.
No, here's the other one.
Oh, 4-cylinder, and we're gonna turbo the living shit out of it. We're on like 80
Turbo
pounds of boost on this
G.
piece of shit.
80 pounds of boost.
80 pounds of boost.
Is this backgammon?
Leave in the comments if you guys remember high 8 tapes.
Okay, we're gonna.
High 8 tapes.
Do we need to get a hot gammon backgammon going?
Holy shit. Y'all don't want to lose to the dice game, son. Look at that. Oh, damn. I don't even know how to play.
Treasure obtained.
Obtained. Huh? That's hours of fun right there. Hours of fun.
Hours of fun.
Hours of fun.
Trash.
Let's donate to that first retirement home we drive past on the way out of the woods here.
This is trash. Oh, found another light bulb. Oh, free
I'm not
amp.
gonna lie, it feels like somebody's been slobbing on this knob.
More than one.
Huh? Oh. Trash! Watch out.
Burns, oh man.
Throw that away, don't touch it. I will be touching myself looking at that later. Look at that. Who's that fella?
Who's that?
I was just joking.
Oh.
Marilyn Monroe.
Maryland.
Air pump.
Marilyn Manson.
Anybody need an air pump?
Ooh, from the 1970s. That thing is vintage, huh? Technicolor.
Trash.
What is that? Sure tape. Sure tape.
Sure enough.
Treasure obtained. Taint.
Pipe joint compound.
Trash compound.
Dun dun dun.
Hole saw.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh, with a jig on it. Jig.
Jigging.
Some cream.
Butt cream.
Ha! Trash, but cream. Trash. Standard airline tubing. A bag with a bracket in it. That looks like it's broke. Some
A
trash.
thing full of one-hitters.
Some
Hinge.
crank.
Relays.
Oh, this
Screws
is a
for
crank for
days,
window.
son. Screws for days. What?
Window. And it
Walls
still
for-
works. Just gonna need a crank for her window.
No.
The window just broke. Anybody
Here
need
is
air
a
compressor
projector screen. Look at that, huh?
cleaner?
Party swipe.
All right. now I can get what I was doing before.
There we go. All right.
I found a light bulb.
The hell you did. You did.
I did.
All right, so that really wasn't a shed in the middle of the woods. Jamie inherited that shed, and we were cleaning it out. And upon cleaning it out, we struck inspiration, and we decided to recycle a few parts, and we're gonna make some free foot pegs out of some actual bicycle foot pegs and the radiator support to an old Jeep.
So let's get started.
All right, so the threads actually fit right onto the peg, so we're just gonna cut it off. All right, so it just so happens the bar itself, it will fit right in to the hinge. So look at that. Look at all those doors we can make with this. Our doors, foot pegs, all types of stuff. All right, so we cut off a straight piece, and this is going to slide down into the hinge, and he just filed it down so it's nice and smooth. It'll go right in.
All right, now we'll go to the welder, weld it up, and that'll be pretty much it. Then we'll clean it up and paint it. Just hold it, yes, sturdy to that. All right, your eyes clear? Yeah. All right, we're good to go.
Alright guys, so what we did here is we welded the pegs, we cut them off at 1 3/4 inches, we painted them blue, and we left them right here. If you look, you have a little bit of a stub sticking out. You can spin this and adjust it to angle out where you're gonna put, where your foot's comfortable at. And also make sure when you do this that you swap them. You swap which side you weld them on so you have a driver and passenger side. But they didn't turn out too bad, just for some stuff we found laying in a shed. Listen to Jeep.
They look pretty badass on there.
Yeah, as you can see guys, we got them on there. They turned out pretty nice. They don't look too bad at all. And you can adjust. You can adjust on there where it hits.